Ready? Are you ready, my friend? Oh, Red Bull there, Kiki.
Gotta do it right, bro. Gotta do it right.
Here you go, slutting a little Red Bull there. Just to make sure you're 100% recovered.
I always tell you, you gotta face your fears head on, bro.
You won't pop 7 now quickly. 7 for round 7. No, it's round 8. Why is that camera angle so off though? Are you comfortable?
I don't know, I'm trying to figure out where I'm at on the camera.
You're in the middle now of the camera.
Yeah, that's chill. We can work with this. Bro, I honestly, I see it now, what you're talking about earlier.
What?
I can see over my face.
Oh, lean you got.
Bro, I look like I'm a little those
cutting cycle.
What's the way to say it without being cancelled?
Yeah, no, don't even try it. The fact that you already thought you could get cancelled, you don't know. No. Just don't say anything.
Hey, Chad, it's good to be back. It's good to be back. Hey. Yeah, I know Red Bull's going to be taking a back seat for a while. For now, I've actually just been living on the Powerade Zero Sugar and Coke Zero. That's pretty much it. And water.
Do you feel like you've got a little bit of a mental block against like Red Bull now? It almost scares you a little bit.
Not really. I feel more. I think I'm gonna think before I have a lot of them in one go. But one, I'm not too worried about that.
How many did you have, honestly?
Honestly, bro, I legit like 6 maybe.
Yes, Kiki. 6. That's a big number. That's a big number.
We had to keep the energy and the vibes high.
Alrighty, Chad. With that being said, one day Keegan Lee today is he's still recovering. We don't want to knock the wind out. So, as always, good to be back with you guys. We had some jobless claims coming out a little earlier, looking relatively solid across the deck for the doll hair. So I don't know if you would have seen that. But as always, we are going to start off the session. Luckily, not too much to go through. Are you monitoring gold? I'm monitoring gold with a keen eye.
Are you asking me?
I am.
Yeah, I am.
So, Chad, we might get gold in the next couple of minutes. Looking for potential longs, alright? Potential longs, but we're going to need to see a little bit more from the bulls. But without further ado, let's pray, Chad. Let's get ready for the session and let's get going. Father, I just want to thank you for another day. Thank you for each and every member of the Chad. thank you for giving us this opportunity, and thank you that you are always with us. You never leave us nor forsake us. We pray for your hand of blessing over the session. We pray for guidance, wisdom, insight, and above all else, Father, we pray that your name will be glorified. Above all else, Father, that we will not try and take the glory for ourselves, as everything we have is from you and from your grace and from your mercies that are new every single day. We pray this and we ask this in the mighty name of our Lord and Savior Jesus Christ. And if you believe it, Chad, now is a very good time to drop an amen in the chat.
Amen.
Let's see if we can get some amens. Rooks, Carl, Chad is believing it. Darren B. Alrighty. Keeks, must I kick it off for us here?
Yeah, you can, brother. I was
Okay.
trying to try to get my account ready here.
Okay, Chad, let's get straight into it. There's data from this afternoon looking relatively solid. So that's going to be dollar positive. I think you would have seen that the dollar got a nice little bounce from that. Just going to jump back to the daily for the guys that missed this morning's analysis. We mentioned that we traded into that daily demand area. Got a nice bounce, and now we are trading into the retest area. Is it going to be a retest or a closure back inside of that range? We don't know yet. But the dollar is on its way there, and right here is where we're going to decide what is next for the dollar. Okay. US 30 starting to make a little dump here, and I mentioned to you guys, we are in this range. Okay, this is the range that we are in. So for the next couple of days, this is where US 30 will be ping-ponging backwards and forwards. Currently a little bit of a bearish sign that we failed to hold above that previous daily high, and we are now trading at the daily flip area. So for me, very, very simple. Back to what we discussed this morning is I'm going to wait and see what happens at that area. And this is where we are going to decide what's going to happen. If it just dies down, that is fine by me. I won't be in it, but we can just monitor it. NASDAQ on the daily, currently looking very strongly bullish. So all the way while we're trading above the previous daily high, I will be bullish. I mentioned to you guys, I would love for it to come into this area, and that is where I would ideally want to start looking for buys, or potentially even right where we are here at Asia highs. Okay, because this was a very strong move above Asia highs. So if we can hold it, I'm going to retarget those session highs. Okay, so very, very simple on NAS. Gold a little bit more tricky. Initially started off with a nice little bearish move, nice bullish engulfing, holding that breakout area, holding above the previous daily low. That is quite a bullish sign for me. Never really retested that area. That's the only thing of concern for me, is the fact that I almost thought I missed it. Is the fact that we haven't really retested that area. We just nipped Asia highs. Asia low is still intact. I'm monitoring this area, Chad, for the potential longs if we get it. Okay. Otherwise, I am looking quite a bit lower right here. Okay, previous daily low if we get there. So that is the idea. German 30, as mentioned this morning, daily also traded into that retest area. I do expect for it to make another push into that area. Okay, so another push into that area and then maybe reject. So I'm looking for potential buying opportunities at Asia highs. Very similar price action to NAS. Nice bullish move. Now we want to see that corrective move into Asia highs, and then we're going to retarget those highs, and that is where we could potentially fail. Okay, so sells not necessarily, even though it is going to have to sell to get into one of these two levels, I am not gonna sell. Okay, but Chad, that is my rapid fire analysis, and over to you, Kigalezi.
Alright, Chad, let's start over there. Let's just get everything in place there for you. So let's start off with the dollar here, guys. Very, very interesting one there for us. So yesterday, there's two things I'm going to see happen here. Now, again, for me, with the rate cuts, I actually feel this is where we're going to actually see the dollar try to really come back. So definitely still going to hold neutral, because I can't, on a technical side, I can't definitely say the dollar is bullish yet. But from fundamental, I do really think a lot of people after this, you're kind of going to see the proper direction come to truth. And in saying that, seeing us hold out here, so you can already see that we did then close bullish, got above, held support again on that week monthly S1, now trading back up to that yearly. Now we always talk about it with this yearly, that is where we will see that neutral, because again, now we're at a test. So we first held support, failed support, now we need to see, does it hold as resistance? So that's going to be the big test for us with the dollar, see if it can get above there. And if it can, I think this is where you're going to see the dollar slowly start its fight and its comeback. But it's still got quite a bit of a way to go on that. So then going over to NAS, when we have a look at with NAS, again, absolutely demolishing markets, all-time highs. So we had it move up over there. Then we had FOMC, which was very, very interesting, especially for the indices and even gold. But having that bearish move come in, also giving you the test of that support on the monthly R1. You can see we broke there, never had that test. So this gave us that test of support. Now trading bullish again and right back up there. So definitely a big move. I wouldn't want to kind of trade against itself there at those all-time highs. But very simply, what I would look for, which is a short-term idea, is if we are holding this, we've always spoke about this, weekly R2, same as the dailies. Daily R1 had its test, couldn't go lower, held, and then daily R2. Now, if we can hold Asia highs as support, we want to see this thing continue to the top side. But if it does break into the Asia range, there is at least a good chance, because we are quite extended, we could see a little bit more of a pullback to at least Asia lows, maybe previous daily low, before it can even turn around, just to continue that trend. So we'll look for that little bit of a scalp over there, but again, you don't want to bet against it right now. So definitely you can see NASDAQ still going bullish. US30, same idea over there. The only thing for me right now is, again, maybe is there going to be a short-term pullback. Reason I'm saying that is you obviously took out the highs over there, then we did have a pullback. So you had all-time highs with the rejection. Today, now taking that all-time high and reversing. So US30 on a technical side, actually on the higher time frames, is showing me a bit more of a chance of a reversal, and I actually would want to see the sell come in over here. We can already see those highs, big move coming in here. If we can break that day pivot EQ and the yearly R1, I'm going to take a guess it is, we could see us trade all the way back down to fill that candle from yesterday from FOMC. So we'll say on US30, NASDAQ, we do understand neutral, but a little bit more of a shorter term pullback, where US30 already having a much bigger pullback. Same idea that you saw from the morning. Asia highs, very, very extended in the day, rejecting the daily R1, previous daily highs, which is also all-time highs, and then seeing this come all the way back down. Asia lows has already been swept. So if this breaks, I do think there's a good chance that this is going for that wick fall. So we'll just watch and see what happens there. Then going over to gold lastly, I am still going to be bullish on gold, Chad, especially with that rate cut that obviously is going to keep us moving. When you look at the idea of thinking logically and breaking it down for you, is all of this happened when? It all happened when Powell officially brought in the idea that it is time for cuts. And we saw gold start to skyrocket. Now, when we saw what happened last night, end of the day, the 25 was the simple play. The 25 was what we all anticipated. We even said to our guys, you know what, a 50 would be nice. That would be the move that's going to break the markets and not be ready for it. This was priced in. I think if you guys even saw, Trump actually posted a thing after the fact saying, Powell, you're a sissy for basically doing the 25. We wanted 100, maybe even a 200 basis point cut. And he still made the joke again saying, Powell, you got to hurry up with this now. 100 basis points next time or you're fired. So again, them saying this year is, it was anticipated. So this is still the plan. So why, if we knew this over here, markets would go bullish, and now because it's happened, you think markets are going to go bearish? It can be a pullback, just like what we're seeing in these parts of the markets over there. You had a massive range breakout, you're going to test it. Now, if we look at it this way, still just to give you guys a little quick thing, that was your range. Now, if you look at it, what are we doing over here? We broke out, we've traded, we are holding that range. So as long as we hold and we don't go back into this, we're going to stay a very, very comfortable place. And that's why I think I don't want to get convince myself on those sells just of yet. I think if gold sells, you know what, well, it can sell, and I'll miss that. But I do believe these sells are going to be something short term, similar to what we saw over here. When we saw that at range, we saw it, and there it's already starting to reverse. If this can find its footing, we are going to see gold completely reverse again. And that's what we want to be looking for. So I'm going to be looking for the buys. I don't want to kind of bet against gold at this point. I'm still going to be bullish. And that's pretty much everything from me, Chad. Nice to see you back, Hugo. Good to be back, guys. Again, thanks to all of you guys that did message me and pop me a message.
Alrighty, ladies and gents, we still have 7 minutes. 7 minutes to go.
I love our brother. It's only a buy if we break 3,700. So you're only buying once we basically take all-time highs again.
Show.
Great logic there.
Bro, it is only buy if we break. Psycho Blight.
Yeah.
Yo, bro, the Russians on data are built different.
What happened now?
Yo, I don't know how they are. I'm on the Western European servers, and the Russians are on all of the servers. If you go to the Asian server, they're there. If you go to the Western Europe, they're there. They're on the east side, but for some reason...
They're everywhere, bro.
Yo, Psycho Blight. Hey.
Whoop my logic, there we go. Sorry, Chad. Bro, I don't know what it is, but it's like when we're here now, even though there's almost nothing on this desk, I feel claustrophobic. Like I can't move around here.
Ah, no, there's gold. Gold's not gonna come through. On to the next, that previous daily low.
Chad, I see Cribbo has at least updated the playlists for you guys.
I'm holding sells. Beautiful, my brother. I've been holding buys since gold was $300. So, Chad, you don't have to delete. Don't delete it. Let the man be.
Yeah, bro, nothing wrong with it. I mean, if you clearly sniping the market, great sell there. I don't know how much more you want.
Actually, when I told you when I first started mentoring Brian,
Yeah.
both of us entered 0.01 lots when gold was at $300. So our swap is only like $20 since we've been holding it.
Chad, what is this now of everyone holding gold for like years, bro? Did you see how that other idiot posting now of the other clown that he's been in gold since 3,400 and he's holding it?
Who's this?
Your favorite one, the one like you actually got into a thing with.
Where is this?
He's also now holding forever, and I'm like, bro, like, when last were we there? Like, let's.
Yeah, so me and Brian actually, gold just needs to go to $445,000 and then we could retire on that 0.01 lot.
And you know what's funny? It's always these guys who were like, the day they entered and the day they held, they knew it was the day markets broke out.
Yeah, that's,
They
you know the
snapped
future.
it, and
You know the future.
they knew this was the day markets were going to trend. Not this time, not this one or this one or this one.
Chad,
or this
anyone
one
anyone
or this
entering
one.
a position and holding it for years on a trading account is full of shit.
But when you entered this one, they knew this was the one that was going to break.
If you were so confident in gold, why don't you just invest into some gold ETF trusts?
You know, here's my thing also. If you were so confident, why did you enter in with like a 20,000 Rand and hold? Well, you would have gone big. You could have retired your family if you went properly and so confidently with it. Like
Brian, my thing is, if I'm bullish on gold, I'm going to go look at what gold ETFs there are and I'm going to put some money behind it. I'm not going to come with a 10K or 20K and dabble and then say I'm going to hold.
If I knew, I would have held gold from beginning of last year. Like, it's the same thing, bro. Like, I was so, like I told all of you guys to buy Bitcoin when Bitcoin was at like $2. I told you.
Bro, I bought Bitcoin when it was 0.035.
Like, why did you guys not buy Bitcoin?
I still had to develop my own API to get the encryption keys for it.
That's why, like, I don't know why people just didn't, bro.
I actually want to check what gold ETFs there are.
From January, I would be happy you can get it done.
Okay, bro, I can honestly say I'm a crypto trader now. Even though I only have 25K, I've got some crypto, and it's up 10%.
Hey.
Let me see. I want to see what else some good gold.
Come on, gold. Technically, there'll be an entry now for us, but it's for a sell.
Wait.
Chad, and before you, I'm not meaning is in enter now, but it's setting up for a sell.
Yeah, but I'm going to go for that low level. Check that previous daily low. I'm going to wait for that. Yeah, so there's some very good.
Markets open, bro.
Chad, and with that being said, markets are open and in motion for the official round 8 ding, ding, ding fight.
Round
This is a month where gold was buy all the time. We were eating every day. CBC, so we can't complain. Like Chad, I was actually looking at the journal yesterday when I was updating it. September has truly been a month for the books. Yeah, it's been a very, very good month.
SPDR, so that's 104% in 4 years. Oh, whose screen is it? That's in your, yeah.
If I focus on trading reversal, which pairs, top 3, would you guys suggest? Sure.
Not gold at this stage.
US30 and NAS are always very good if you understand the pairs and you understand, for example, like the highs or lows of the day, and you catch them at the reversals. You can catch very nice moves.
Okay.
September has been phenomenal. Yeah. The longest I've ever held a trade was for 32 days, and it was the worst time ever. Swing trading is not for me. Jared,
32 days.
The longest, Chad, this is not even a word of a lie, okay? I tried swing trading. Like, the longest I did was a few hours. Then the one day I said, nah. I'm gonna swing trade. I'm gonna do this shit. So I enter a position on US30. I'm up about 36k. I'm like, okay, cool. We're gonna go to bed. Bro, I not keep waking up. I wake up in market open. I wake up the whole time to check this phone, and I'm like, okay, it's fine, it's up. I'm leaving it. I wake up again in the morning. I'm checking this thing after breakfast. I'm checking it. It's having a pullback. I'm thinking, nah, it's fine. It's just a pullback.
You moved your stops.
So, leave it, bro. Leave it.
Was your stop to break even?
Stop to a break even. I check it again lunchtime. No, it's going back up. So I'm back. I'm sitting there. Gets back to like 5 o'clock that evening. I check it again just before supper. And I'm like, okay, we're sitting almost 70k up. So I'm like, okay, we're styling. Yeah, we're styling. That evening, I'm like, okay, we're about to go to bed. It's having a bit of a pullback. We're almost back at about 50k. I wake up the next day. So we're 2 days in this trade. 2 days. Do you not think this thing came down and hit me at break even?
Bro, that's a break even is actually worse than a loss, especially if you're out of 2 days.
70k left on the table. And then I still got hit with commissions and swap fees. Bro, I was, after that, I've never ever done a long hold again. After that, I was like, it's not for me. This fizzy bubbly, not for me.
Yeah. Just ask them for... okay. I think we'll have to send some smoke signals or something for it.
And
it happened to me with oil one December holiday. And I was like, yo, bro, that actually spoiled my holiday. We still went for like a little booze cruise the evening, and I showed the one guy there, and I'm like, yo, look at this. Floating on ice, 70, 80k. Gonna hold this thing to 200,000. Oil is pumping, it's off the lows, this and that. Break even. Next day, I'm like, yo.
Right, that's tough. That's what, Chad, you look at it again today. A few years down the line, and now we have the cracker, which is in and out most of the time in 1 minute.
Alrighty, gold. Yeah, nothing's in zone for me.
Well, it's getting to that previous daily low level for you.
Wow.
You're watching it, bro.
Yeah. You're gonna take it.
I'm thinking about it.
I just wanna see what it does, yeah.
It looks...
If it completely shits the bed, yeah, no. Bro, there's literally no volatility. It's like dying, but it's...
Wait, where are you looking at, bro? Like, what level is it?
If it trades back above 36.51.
Back above 36.51.
Yeah. Do you want to take it off the rip?
No, you know.
Then I won't take it off the rip, yeah.
That's not what... Bro. On the shoulder.
Okay. Bro, if this is gonna be just that one way down again today, I'm gonna...
And we don't have news, eh? We had earlier, but nothing now.
It's like you can't short here.
I don't know why I thought it was a good idea to buy gold at Asia highs, but anyway.
Who said that?
Yeah.
Aye, yeah, we've been there. That's how I figured out session highs and daily highs and lows. I was like, yo, why am I always catching the lows? Like sniper entries to drawdown. And then when I did a little bit of digging, I'm like, shit, that was the session low and the session high. Walter, it actually needs to clear it like quite significantly before I would buy Asia's. Let me quickly go here.
Come on,
Okay,
gold.
my trading view is not working. But anyways, Asia Highs is there, so you want to see a clear leg above Asia Highs, and then the retest there, then you can buy it. But if it like hovers around Asia Highs, I would never buy it. Nah, bro, this thing is in drip mode.
Drip mode.
Why is it that my trading view always takes a dump when I...
Oh. Come on, gold.
Right now, all my charts are short. How's your...
Mine are fine.
Is yours fine?
Yeah.
Gold. Still there. It's still in and about.
So gold's at my area now, bro. I want to see it basically hold around, yeah. I think it might shit the bed, yeah, bro. I think she might shit the bed, yeah.
That is a little bed shit if you haven't seen it, Chad. Yeah, no, that's bad, yeah, out the window. Bro, nothing's in zone for me, and I want to take a trade so badly. I want to revenge this thing.
Like, I just want to take a trade, bro.
I just want to get into something, feel alive again.
Just want to feel alive.
Feel that that emotion, that waves of the market. Bump 2025 is your... Was Bump your time as well? The Bump series,
Yeah.
Bump mix. Why did we have to buy bootlegged songs and then still pay 300 Rand for the CD and all of the songs are bootlegged? Yeah, we were just built different.
When you say it like that, you make us sound like we were very actually like quite stupid.
Yes, they did. Yo, did you see the new Bump? It's out. Let's go. Ah, Kiki.
The shoulder.
Is Nas gonna produce something?
Just do it for the people, gold. I don't know where you're gonna get in on this. This is like a just one-way rocket ship.
I've got another little level lower. Let me just check. I've got a few levels low.
So it's
that
like every time I ask you, I've got a level.
I've got 2 more levels, and then after that, this thing is.
Chris is like that guy. Like, I got a level. I know someone.
I've got a level. It's not. It's actually a clean level. It's getting there. Still has to go a little bit.
Sure. If gold does really melt, where can it go? Yo, it actually really can melt if it breaks here.
That's the thing. I was bearish on the day. Just got wrecked.
Like, this thing actually can.
Got absolutely destroyed, ladies and gents.
If it breaks this thing can actually really melt.
2 more minutes.
Okay, there now my thing's not loading anything.
Bro, trading me really needs to up their game. German 30. Dude, it actually makes me depressed when we've got this. There's nothing.
What do you mean?
I can't trade anything. It's not moving in any type of zone that I want to get involved in. Now it's like you're gonna have to wait another couple of hours to redeem yourself. I might take NAS, I'm just saying. Okay, Naz, I see you. I see you. Naz. Kicks. I'm just letting you know, brother.
You're taking NAS.
No, not yet.
My charts aren't
Soon,
doing anything, so I'm... Sure, on the daily, hey, this thing is actually coming down quite aggressive.
Ladies and gentlemen, I present to you NASDAQ. US 30. Bros, there are no other dates coming out.
No.
US 30 is in a sideways chug. Okay, gold, Kiki. Gold is now
Gold is what?
at one of my zones. Oh, that wants to. Okay. Next up is 36.25. Okay, let me maybe shift my focus. Alright, Nas also no bueno. No bueno. Possibly. Just one way.
All right.
Just one way. This is fun. This is very fun. Wow.
I came back to
Just
watch this thing fall.
alright, the Nas buys.
Hey, my indicator loaded. Just took a while, but it's back. Hey, we're at the weekly pivot.
Let's see. Oh wait, gold and chalk.
Yeah, Fobs, we said the gold sells, but I said I wouldn't want to be in them. But now I kind of do want to be in them. But
Now we have to retest the previous daily low again. And if we then reject it, I'm getting in shorts, Chad. Oh, nice. Zaza. Okay,
Yeah, bro, what's up?
Nas. I might go for Nas, Keeks. I'm just letting you know.
Go for my brother. I'm backing you. I believe in you. Don't let the haters stop you, bro. You should have entered maybe like 7 years ago, but this is your time, bro. This is your time to shine. This is the month we have just been unstoppable, bro. Chris, you won't do it.
I'll let you guys know when I enter. What song is this? Blue Cheese.
Chris would have a ponytail if he entered 7 years ago. My lot size indicator is there. Okay, Interpol is so old I can't even look at the platform anymore. It just looks cock. Love the support. A geek song, lol. What do you mean a geek song?
Blue Cheese.
Bro, I need to go back to Bogart.
What?
Bonang's gonna steal my name, bro.
That man's wearing full pieces.
Bro,
He's not wearing
I took
shirts.
him there to like, hey bro, yes my boys, like look after this man. Da, da, da. Every day after that, I've seen Bonang. He's only in Bogart.
Yeah.
And he's like, no, your guys hooked me up there. And I'm like, yo, bro, what is going on here?
Man is living. Man is living, dude.
Bro, this is not a word of a lie. Chad, hold on. Was it yesterday? Did you see he had a white Bogart shirt on?
I don't see it.
He posted on his story. So I think it was yesterday or the day before. It was a white shirt with a green Bogart across the chest. But the point is, Chad, the day my guy messaged me and was like, hey, Mr. Keegan, we got new stock in. I'm going to send you photos. Let me know if there's anything you like. So I'm like, nah, sharp, my brother. He sends me the stock. I checked through a few things. I said, oh no, when I'm maybe the end of this week or next week, I'll come pull in. She's like, okay, cool. No, you'll see me then. The next day, does Bonang not post the video and he's wearing the shirt? I'm like, bro, that just dropped. Like literally a day ago it came out and Bonang's got it.
Chad, I'm gonna go for NASDAQ. Your stops are gonna be about 50. Alright. Yeah, I'm in. Okay, let me just put it on my screen quickly.
Sheesh. You're just gonna hit that TP before you can move that TP, bro.
Chat. TP is 50. I haven't even placed my... Oh, damn. Jeez Louise. Jeezy Louise. Again, but stops are a little bit... wait, what is my TP there? 59. Okay, there's the... It's basically a 1-to-1. Stops need to be below there. Oh, Chad, this is... I feel alive again. I feel alive again, Kiki.
The man just caught a rocket ship there.
I feel I'm alive. Beautiful. It was one of my zones, Kiki.
That's one of your zones.
It was one of my zones.
Hey.
It was one of the zones.
Bro, at this point, do you not go break even yet?
Nah, I don't go. Break even is
That's
for...
like 80% to TP and you
break
still...
even is for...
Oh, Ed caught the same trade.
Ed, you've got a very good mentor.
I had a chat with Ed there this morning, bro.
Ed, give credit where credit is due.
I was like, you don't go around and share these.
Ed, give credit where credit is due.
Took gold buys on the pivot. Oof, not bad. I mean, actually, really not bad. That's a $8 move already.
JXC, after 24 hours, it will work on your high watermark. So whatever is high between your balance and equity, then your drawdown is based off that.
Chad, I came up with a new strat. It's called the Zoner. Find out more on my live stream tomorrow on my channel. Chad, I promise you, Chad.
I'll break his ankle,
The
bro.
day
He'll
if-
never
if-
see Worlds.
If Chris leaks that strat, I promise you'll be crawling out the office. You got rear-ended, Chad. It's gonna be the least of his worries. We're gonna T-bone that man.
Nah, he won't have ankles left, bro.
The horror, Chris and myself have both already been on Top Trader.
I'm not break even.
I feel the horror is like 2 years behind.
I feel like he found the channel and everything's still new to him. It's like,
He hasn't like gone
you
back
guys
to
must go
his,
check out Rydal Fix. He exposes.
I saw you got
traders.
his channel back.
Yes, I think Rixie told me. Channel is back in action. So I'm glad for him. Lot of work goes into a
Also,
YouTube
I was
channel.
obviously out of action. Have you even looked at what the total amount yet was of the donations?
No, I haven't.
I think maybe
also-
tonight I'll look at the total. Then obviously we'll look at what the
I still need to give money as well.
Chris's wager. Thanks to Stefan. And then Stian. And then what else will obviously get put to it as well. And then we'll maybe let you guys know. Hope maybe tomorrow by like New York session we can let you guys know what the amount is.
You weren't short gold now.
Nah, bro.
You're the short slip.
that just looks like trouble.
This looks juicy. I would have never tested a previous daily low, so this could be now another move up. US 30 also not just shy of that zone, that sell zone. Nas basically back at entry, back at VWAP. 200 EMA holding as resistance. Will we get sliced? Oh, look at that. Look at that VWAP. Backside retest of the WAP. Doesn't want to die. I don't know. Find out in the next episode.
I really hope that goes your way.
VWAP. We got the 200 holding.
Fobs, I'm gonna be quiet, bro. I'm not gonna say anything.
Asia highs.
We've had a great time. I said this to you guys, I think last week. I mean, our trading for September has been just phenomenal. We're blessed to have the month we've been having. But we have said to you guys how many times, we have a great time. If markets like gold looks amazing, I'm not going to get involved in it just because if you're wrong, you're going to get hurt very quickly. So if I have a no trade day, I'll take the no trade day.
No, I force a trade then, Kiggs.
Well, gold's setting up, bro, if you want to take it.
No, I want the previous daily low.
What do you mean, bro? We long past previous daily low.
No, the retest for the shorts.
Oh.
Yeah. No, I won't buy it now. German 30 is still stuck there.
Geez, you know how the story ends. We're waiting for the Phoenix to make an appearance here, Chad.
Yeah, yesterday I can't do anything. Nothing is in zone except Nas. Come on, gold. German. It is only Nas. Chad, just two things quickly on Asia. I mentioned to you guys the average daily ranges work similar to the pivots. So if we hold this average daily range, it's very likely we can go back to 2 standard deviations. That's the first one. The second one was from this morning. I said I want to buy once we come back to Asia highs because it was a nice clean move above. And then also we had the 200 EMA there. So the reason I haven't overmanaged this is because I waited the entire day for it to come into the zone, give me a reaction. So to try and overmanage it here after waiting a lot of hours is... So if you were in this morning session, you would have seen that we already marked out that level.
Bro, did you notice? Where's Ed? Did you notice how Ed went quiet now? Ed, where are you?
It definitely got taken out break even. You're gonna hear afterwards, I just got nicked out. Look at that, just nicked. Where's just nicked? It just had to throw you off the bus before it had to move. Now it will fly. Where's Ed? Ed, be honest. Don't lie. Remember, God is watching you, my brother. Did you hit a break even? Be honest. Be honest. I would be surprised if Ed didn't go break even, bro.
No BE, stop loss or TP.
That's lies, bro. That's I call cap on that. 100%. 100%.
I was gonna say, have we changed him that much?
Ed, be honest, my brother.
Hey, there we go.
I'm never going BE again. Chad, I'm still in the trade. It just missed my TP.
Bro, were you still not gonna break even at this point?
Nah.
You were a pip or two away
I'm
from.
not going break even, bro. I need those green screens. I have to send that to Brian. All of these manual closures. I only want greens. Chad literally sniffed.
Oh, there's
It was like my gold trade last night. Yes, I was.
gold's back at previous daily low.
Bro, I wonder if I can see it. I want to show you. Yo, that was greed. Lipsticks.
So if the 5 minutes on gold closes now,
Wait, let me see.
this
Gold.
is where I would buy. But I'm not touching it, Chad. Not this time.
Ah, you buy here.
Yeah.
Nah, I'm looking for the salarinos. Looking for the celery.
No, I wouldn't want to. That's what I said.
Oh,
Like I said, this is sell mode now, bro. So I agree with you. But no. Wire spreads always hit my stop loss, but never my TP.
bro, I'm asking the same thing. That thing will dance around you, TP. It's like, it's like, gets close, like, whew, run away, guys.
You don't want to get caught, man.
And then the one day where you close it early, it's like, as soon as you close, bah! It's like, have you seen that?
always right.
It's like, yo, this thing is struggling here. It's struggling here. Let me quickly close. Bro, it's still, I'm still in. Ow. Chad, I'm still in here. Let me show you. This is, okay, I'm out. I'm out. Yeah.
Eventually,
see.
bro. Eventually.
Bro, I think the broker, thank you, XM, for watching the streams and getting me out of that trade. Okay, there, Chad, I'm out. It was like quickly let Chris hit TP. W Chad. Beautiful.
Great trade.
Now I need one more for break even.
Wait. How many losses did you take?
I took 2 losses this morning. I took gold and what's the other one, Chad? The other one I took quite quickly.
Wait, hold on, bro. Why are you... You look like a machine gun in here.
Bro, I'm a machine, dude. I told you I want,
Whatever did you
it's that's where I feel alive, my bro. I'm a machine designed to take a lot of trades. Hey, bro, I'm pushing our commissions up.
So am I, bro.
I'm pushing those rebates up.
We
Somebody has to do it. If not them, why not us?
Bro, you know what's going to be funny when they're going to come back to one day and be like, sure, no, the boys are doing very, very good lately.
Let's quickly
They go
see
check the clients.
the
The 2 big boys. You go, check these numbers, check these, yo. Who
you
is it?
You must contact these guys.
Oh, Chris Dix and Keegan Van Chat up.
All right, those are your 2 top clients. Wow, nice. Okay.
The Zonus strategized for 15 trades a day. Find out more on my channel.
Ed wants a broken ankle, bro.
Chad, I promise you one more thing about that. This boy is getting hidden from this channel.
Ed, I will destroy you, my brother. I did this to help you. Because my ears started to bleed from all the... I just hit break even and it went my way. So I had to help.
We gave you the source. To be fair, and you actually can thank Chris, because me and Chris had a very actually hard chat that no one was getting the strat.
No, my ear did start to bleed a little
So
bit.
you can actually thank Chris that he told you, because we had a very that we weren't giving this one out. Great, win the marketable. Yeah, and we need him to sign an Indian. We're gonna have Cage. I'm gonna go print that Indian right now, bro.
Bro, that man will never walk again. And he will be eating noodles with a straw. Okay. Okay, Keegs, I might take gold in the next couple of minutes.
You do that, bro. I'm not touching that thing.
Ah, you scared of gold?
You don't need to touch things, bro. You made your profits for the day.
Nah, I still need to make profits. I still need to work.
So I'm already up on the day. I don't need to force anything.
Nah, I force.
Ed, you forget there's boys in the chat that have money, bro. They will pay that.
What did it say?
Download my course for the low price of 8,000 Rand. Zona trading bot coming soon.
Alright, Chad, if I am gonna short gold, stops are gonna be around about 70. Just waiting for gold to get back into this range here. And then we're gonna take it back downtown.
We're already in gold.
Who's that?
Sibasiso.
Are they already in gold?
Nah, bro. Those guys saw that bus. They were on there, bro. They're like, it looks like a sell. I'm in.
It's a sell. Okay, come on, gold. Let's do it. Let's put in a shifty here for the boys. Bro, my shoulder's even a little bit tension there. And I've got a P that I have to hold in now.
Kyo.
Alrighty, ladies and gents. 30 seconds. Will she give it to us? Hold on, gold. Hold. Ho fuss. Ufilicit 16. Ho net. Ho biena.
Wait, hold on. What's Linda?
Linda. What do you mean, what is Linda? Oh shit, Chad. This is not a little...
Does Brian also know it?
No, Brian doesn't know this. Oh, and I entered late. Chad, I'm in shorts. Let me just set my stops quickly. Why did I flinch? Flinching is for the weak. What is the stops there? Okay, my stops are actually 80, Chad, just to allow for spreads. My stops are actually there, so this thing is gonna need to do a shifty for us for 1-to-1. Okay, 1-to-1. Let me just check there. Okay, there we go. There we go. Beautiful. Okay, let me quickly go P for TP. Is this on my screen?
I'm Chris's best student, gigs. See this.
Alright, Chad. I'm gonna see you guys now. That is the trade. Stop loss or TP. Okay. Let's go.
I need to also receive gold killed me yesterday and today. Hey. Let's see what happens out with the boys. Hey, slushy is real, bro. You develop strategies like, yo, maybe the next strat I'm gonna have to keep you. Showed Brian O's Cribbo Rolex. I said Rolex and all strats till 2028. The man wanted like the new and improved, the 2.0, the 3.0 when they come out. He's like pre-ordered them. He's like, I know you boys. I know you're going to revise it. It's going to get improved. You can never confirm gold. It's not safety. Who is watching what Keys is drinking? You're not like a child, yeah, bro.
Will we get sliced? In the morning we bought. No, we sold. And it bought. In the afternoon we sold. And it bought. Let's see here.
Okay, I know the strat.
Oh, German 30. What does it look like on the 5? Ooh. Oh. Hey, nah. Bro, where's the previous daily low? Oh, there's it.
You're literally the top of those
Yeah,
candles.
yeah. There's it. Yeah, I can see it. Gold.
I think it could range if it's on turn. Because the thing is, if you look there on the 4 hour and the 1 hour, bro, there's those lows. And that's what I marked out. We were holding that and we broke it back above. If we hold above it, I think this thing can turn. But if that thing holds there, the previous day low, and you drive down and take those lows, bro, this thing is going to absolutely melt.
Lacquer boys, day 2 of trying to short gold. Attempt 1. Ding, 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 ding.
Fatality.
Alright, Chad, day 3 of trying to short gold. Let's go. Day 7 of trying to short gold, trying to catch the all-time highs and hold it for 7 years and post it onto Instagram with a $15 swap fee after 7 years. Let's go.
Not enough money. This could be the move for you, bro. Just had to test you twice first.
Nothing else in zone though.
Hey, I sold at 36.44 with you, Chris.
Who's that?
Laz.
Ah, Lazarus.
See him blue here.
Lazawaza. Oh, but Laz got a... Laz,
You got a very good entry.
I took the poor man entry. There's Naz. Poof. Chad. See that average daily range? I think I shared this on the 24-hour stream as well.
But you see, bro, it's just because you closed. Then it could run there.
Bro. Like, if I... No, but I'm happy. I'm never not taking 1-to-1s. You know what hurt me? Remember that day me and you traded? When the day before 24-hour stream?
Yeah.
When I had those 30 bomb trades? And I was still like, Kigo, what do you rate? 1-to-1s. It's like, no, the week's already been good. Let's be greedy. go for 1 to 2s. All of them hit break even. It's like, bro, see you tomorrow. 24-hour stream. Cheers.
But you know, what was it? The one trade I took, because I said to Chris Chat, I was like, you know what, I couldn't do much. So I was like, I'm going to do the proper, I'm not going to trade, I'm just going to do it for the stream. So I'm laying in bed, I put the TV on, and I watched the stream on Monday. Yeah, Monday. I watched the stream and I'm thinking, you're going to take a gold trade.
Yeah.
And I know Chris, I'm like, I know he's trading our strat. So I'm like, nah, screw it. I'm not doing much. I'm just laying here. So I enter the trade. I take the trade with you guys. This thing goes 1-1. And I'm still like, nah, let's go 1-2. Break even.
Did it break even?
No. You guys close. That thing rocketed.
Oh,
bro.
yeah.
It rocketed.
Bro, it's
I trailed it, if I remember correctly. I trailed it to a 3.2. And then I just closed.
3.2 R.
3.2 R.
Yeah, it was a bomb.
No, on Monday, that thing just rocketed. I think anyone that took that trade with Chris, you guys remember the one I'm talking about. It was in London session.
Oh, my back's pretty sore, Kicks, from carrying the chat this last week.
Don't you worry. I've been carrying them from the 1st of September. The chat has been getting fed. We haven't missed on gold.
My shoulder is even.
Me and gold are like this now, bro. This month.
Friday, there on the 24-hour stream, had to sit with the boys in the trenches, bring everyone back out of the trenches.
Here we go, baby. Rolex time.
Who says that?
Right.
Yo, Brian, what do you think of this? So, I was actually saying this to you, Keeks.
What are you buying?
No, so the dealer where I buy the Rolexes from,
Yeah.
she sent me,
This the one where we got the first one.
yeah, so it's a Omega. It's a Omega Globemaster calendar. So it's got the date, the calendar. It's got it looks very much like the,
Oh shit, they are.
so that's pure gold on the bezel.
Oh really?
47% off. But that's my thing. I don't like the leather band.
What's 47% off?
The watch, 47. They, I think they can't get it sold, Brian.
But what? How much is it? If you don't want to say, then message it to me. But I'm at
No, it's 250k retail, so you can get it for 125.
Okay. I don't know, bro. Like
And it's
that is nice. That is nice. But I don't know for me if I'd spend that on a
40.
Omega though. Like you can go get a Rolex.
Bro, it's a clean watch though.
Let's just say it is nice, but
But the thing is, for 125, it's the only thing is I don't like the leather strap.
like you know what my argument is, bro. This is my whole argument. I say to people, it's the same with cars nowadays. So you can spend 1.1, let's even say 1.2 million, and you can go buy a brand new Golf R. Or you can spend 1.4 and go get a brand new M2. Like,
Bro, this thing is nice though.
let's just say it is nice,
Chad,
bro, but it's
no.
a hard sell for me.
Bro, it's full gold. The bezel is
I
like.
get you, bro, but I'm saying
Chad,
like,
look
you
at
can
that.
go get a Rolex for that price.
Check at the action at the back. Check there. Check at that.
No, it is very nice, bro.
I must actually ask that guy from Luxury Time.
Oh yeah, we get special prices there. You must ask.
No, just like if it's a good deal to hold.
No, but I'm actually saying, remember, if you want to ever get the other one, what they can get in stock for you, I must actually give you the guy's name, number.
Modest.
You already have it.
Huh?
Do you have it?
I think I've got it. Chris was actually going to open up a Luxury Time years ago. He had a...
So he has it. Remember, they still chatted to us about a few things. We actually need to go have coffee with him. We're going to see when we're free. you're at that low now, bro. If you guys can break through this level now, then gold, I think, is gonna fly for you. Well, tank for you.
With a bezel like that.
The only thing is, Omega watches lose value so quick.
Yeah, no, look here. But I think this is... Oh, but this is not the gold. Constellation. Okay, that's not the calendar. Yeah, no, that's why they're not selling it. No, I'm not getting it. 130. Here's one for... Here's it. 220. Okay, but I think this is new. Used. Very good. Oh, this is it, Keeks. 220 from the US.
Ah, it is. It's a very
Yeah, but the thing is,
beautiful
if you
watch.
can't even sell it new, how the heck are you gonna... Okay, but this is a full... it's a full gold. It's not just a bezel. 370. Yeah, I don't want to buy something I want to sit with.
The gold in the watch doesn't even carry its value.
Nah. I'm tempted, but nah.
Nah, it is very nice, bro, but I don't know.
Rather get a Cartier.
Bro, you can get away, like, you know me, that's just it. I'll get a much nicer Cartier than that.
No, there's just one more Rolex I want.
Still the Bruce.
Yeah, that or just your normal Batman one, the black one. But not the
Didn't you
not
want
this not the Sea Dweller, the sub.
Yeah, didn't
the
you want a
sub-
Pepsi? Or who was it that wanted
No,
a
I
Pepsi?
I'm not a big fan of the Pepsi.
Who? I remember, I remember speaking to you and we said you had the Batman and the Bruce Wayne. And there was another one.
That one is very rare.
The Bruce, yeah.
Sure, if you can get that. I still can't believe Brian walked away from it that day.
Bro, I still literally, when I even said to you, I'm like, bro, you know how rare the Bruce. Yeah, but we're gonna think about. I'm like, what are you actually doing?
No, I told him to get it. He was like, literally, I told him immediately, I'm like, take the Bruce. And he's like, yo, we're just out for coffee. He's gonna go back.
Bro, for me, I'm sorry, for the year, I think that's your guys' biggest fumble of 2025.
Brian should have immediately bought it right there.
Found a
Swiped.
Bruce Wayne and let it go.
Even when I sent it to my brother, he's like, what do you mean it's available? Is it like just standing there? He's like, yeah. He's like, it's impossible. You cannot get the Bruce Wayne. I'm like, it's there. I'm going to buy it. Brian's going to go get it for me now.
I walked back and forth 4 times for Chris Keegs.
Then Brian proceeds to send me all of the most expensive Rolexes. He's like, hey, bro. So my mate, they've got these Rolexes. All of them, minimum half a bar. There's one of 700K. There's a 900. I'm like, Brian, we're looking for bargains, my G. Hello. We're looking for bargains, not... we don't want to buy houses to put on our wrists. 900 G's for a Rolex. I didn't even know you get Rolexes close to a mil.
Oh, I just had to bring you back to earth, Chris.
Jeez, Brian. There's a reason those ones are still available. Now the issue, Chad, is those Rolexes don't resell. So you'll buy it and you'll resell it for off. anything that's gold does not do well with Rolex. So it's all the steel watches that you get a lot of bang for your buck. Submariner, Sea Dweller, not so much. Anything that's not gold does well. 100,000 pounds, yeah. I think if you get to a stage where your net worth is like 500 million rand and you don't mind spending $1 million or 2 million rand and keeping the watch forever.
Bro, I mean, I was watching a video the other day. Never seen this guy before, never heard of him. And this guy's just talking about his cars, and he's just like, yo, no, man. Like, this is my custom 101 Pagani. And then he's like, oh, yeah, this is my other new hypercar ordered. And, oh, yeah, man, the goodness things. I've had every single model. Then I got bored of them, so I sold all of them. Now I've got like, it's like, I think I've got 7 Bugattis. And then I'm like, bro, what are you doing in your life?
Who's this?
The guy's name's Mark. But it's like, bro, what are you doing? Like, that's where the level I want to be at, bro. When you have to actually sit there and think about how many Bugattis you have. And it's like, oh yeah, I had every Koenigsegg. And I got bored of them, so I sold them.
Oh, Daniel. Hey, Boetman. Oh ja, hallo vir Keegan sê. Sê hallo.
Come here, we got 5.
Gee my drukkie.
How's your day? Was it a good day? This is my little future rugby son, yeah.
He always wants to greet Keegan. Ja. Dis was terug swaar. Okay, Boetman, gee my drukkie. Die vir jou. Gee my drukkie, netjie. Love you. Sien julle nou, hoor.
I was in South Hall, you mean on mine. Yeah, Silent Chat's collection, especially his house in Paul, bro, insane. Keys, you have that dad voice. What do you mean? The best at worm.
Ek wil vir hom Keegan hallo sê.
I'm gonna be the fun uncle, guys.
Bro, what is gold doing? Oh. I want to go break even, chat.
What happened?
Nah, bro. Flip this. I'm break even on it. Nah, it's struggling to get down here, bro. It's not getting through this zone yet.
If I remember correctly, Silent Chats was Vodacom, if I remember correctly.
Not an MTN? Was it?
I'm sure Chad let me know right there. I'm sure it was Vodacom or Vodafone or... Let me know.
Yeah, for some traders, this
Chats
is
for
a
you.
stretcher.
There we go.
40. Actually, almost went 50, so this is a stretcher
Vodacom,
for...
yeah.
This is a stretcher for many guys.
Yeah, bro, that's a week's pay. Yeah.
Okay, let's park it there. Look at NASDAQ. Holy moly. Ah, gold. Just stop this madness, bro. Just do something. Look at the 5-minute candles, bro.
I'm watching. The father looks clean still, bro, for your setup.
Yeah, look how small the bodies are getting.
But literally where your bar is there, that's that level for me on the higher time frame. So, like, you technically broke underneath, you've held underneath, but you
this is the average daily range.
You'd want to see volume drive now.
Yeah, this is the average daily range, Chad.
Oh, really?
Yeah, that's your average
Check
daily
range.
range.
Just go to the 1 hour or the 4 hour even, and you'll see there's literally the low lows are where you're at now.
There.
So like if you can break these lows.
Yeah, I'll break even, Chad. I don't think that was a bad management.
Yeah, I'm ready, bro, if you are.
Bro, look at Nas. Damn you, Nas. Damn you, Nas, for US 30. Okay, I'm gonna call it now. I just wanna check something.
Actually in this cock.
I just wanna see something quickly.
Chris, if this hits TP, I'll buy you pink Air Force Ones.
If what, it's TP?
Go.
No, I'm out of break even. Oh, is he saying if it runs down now?
Oh, Brian. Yo, bro, Brian's naughty, eh? I saw that post he tagged us the other day
It's always not
with you, and I'm like, yo,
Nice.
Raja Banks, Joe.
He's cock naughty, this guy. Yo, he loves stirring.
Yo.
He loves stirring the pot. Brian loves stirring a big old pot. He's got a big old spoon. Alright, now Chad. Bro, if this thing runs now, I will be very upset.
Never go break even, Chad. It's TP or stop loss.
Bro, and this is just gonna prove my point as to why you don't go break even. Okay, I'll chat. There's nothing else for me. German 30. It only came this far. Gold. Gold. NASDAQ. Very nice buys from there. US 30. Nothing for me. Daily flip area. All the way down, all the way up. This is pretty cock price action, Chad. It's not the cleanest, but yeah. Oh, kids, that is gold.
Yeah, Chad, just one of those days. It's always good to be back, but not going to force something unnecessarily. It's already been a great week. Caught something earlier today, so I wasn't going to force something now. It is Friday tomorrow, so just focusing on finishing the week strong. But yeah, Chris, thanks for leading today. But yeah, it was good to be back, Chad.
Please don't tag me if gold dies from here. I don't want to know. I know, Kicks. Good to have you back, my brother, Chad. Unfortunately, -1 hour day for me. Gold would have been nice, but yeah, it is what it is. 2 losses, 1 win. As I said, it is going to be a little bit more tricky after FOMC. I think Monday we'll be back to... actually, tomorrow, I think markets will start settling in. But yeah, Chad, peace and love. We'll see you guys tomorrow. Cheers.
Chad.
Just Don't remind me, I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me, I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. One thing, when you're angry and checking me, you treat me like I'm worth nothing. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. It'll happen again, I watch it happen over and over again. Don't remind me, I'm minding my own damn business. Don't try to find me, I'm better left alone than in this. It doesn't surprise me. Do you really think that I could care if you really don't like me? Find somebody else, it could be anyone else out there. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. One thing, when you're angry and checking me, you treat me like I'm worth nothing. Don't fret, I don't ever wanna see you and I never wanna meet you again. One thing, when you're angry and checking me, you treat me like I'm worth. 'Cause it's too and all I am is a man. I want the world in my hands. I hate the beach, but I stand in California with my toes in the sand. Use the sleeves of my sweater. Let's have an adventure. Head in the clouds, but my gravity's centered. Touch my neck, and I'll touch yours. You in those little high-waisted shorts, 'cause it's too